Ever notice how nature has no inherent boundaries? Ever notice how one form and another aren't fixedly separate? Ever notice how we project and create boundaries on our environment? And yet, despite this truth, millions of women seem to be compelled to chase the illusion of the ideal female form. Have you ever seen how there is really nothing ugly or beautiful around? Just an incredibly detailed stream of stuff. And yet, millions of women seem compelled to repeat a version of the same ideal day in and day out. Have you ever noticed how there are no empty spaces, really, anywhere? Ever notice how nature is all about change, flux, fluctuation? And yet, millions of women seem incredibly depressed by change, death, age. What's wrong with women? Do they hate nature? Have they been brainwashed against their will?